Yuda. Donnie, nag-teleport ka ba? Grabe, time management, ang galing. Family will always be his priority, but he also has another priority at the top of list now. Si Bel Mariano, he will go all the way and find ways to always to cater Bel.